said, look down that lonesome road, hang down your head and cry, thinking all about them pretty little gals, hoping that I'd never die. There's more pretty girls than one. There's more pretty girls than one. Any old town that I ramble all around, there's more pretty girls than one. I'm gonna lay down this old guitar. I'm gonna lay down this old guitar. Wishing I could tie it to my side, take it along with me. Sick in a lonesome bed. Well, I'm sick in a lonesome bed. Ain't no one to ease my aching head. And I'm sick in a lonesome bed. There's more pretty girls than one. There's more pretty girls than one. Any old town that I ramble all around, there's more pretty girls than one. I said any old town that I ramble all around, there's more pretty girls than one.
Thank you, folks.
Yep. You ready? I said, come gather round me, good people. My life I must reveal. Well, tomorrow might have been different, and I know how my darling ought to feel. Plenty of money, my friends were all standing around. But when my pocketbook was empty, not a friend on this earth could be found. Well, last time I saw my little woman, she had a wine glass in her hand. She's drinking away her trouble with a look down, sorry man. Papa, he taught me plenty. My mama, she taught me more. If I didn't quit my old rowdy way, be trouble knocking at my door. go your best. This old jailhouse, $40 it'd pay my fine. Corn whiskey's done and got the bodies, pretty women, trouble in my mind. I'm gonna dig me a hole in the meadow. I'm gonna dig me a hole in the ground. Come gather round me, good people, and watch this poor old rambler go down.
Hi, Sandy. How you doing?
The wind is blowing across the mountain, down all the valley way below, and it sweeps the grave of my darling. When I die, that's where I wanna go. Lord, send the angels for my darling and take her to that home on high. Now ain't my time out here on earth, love, and I'll come to you when I die. Get her, boy. Carved upon the tombstone. I promised you before you died that our love will bloom forever, darling. When we rest side by side, Lord, send the angels for my darling and take her to that home on high. Now ain't my time out here on earth, love, and I'll come to you when I die. darkness. It moans and whispers through the pine. And I know it's my sweetheart calling, 'cause I hear her through the walls of time. Lord, send the angels for my darling and take her to that home on high. Now ain't my time out here on earth, love, and I'll come to you when I die. Somebody get it. Lord, send the angel for my darling and take her to that home on high. Now ain't my time out here on earth, love, and I'll come to you when I die. Lord, I'll come to you when I die.
Thanks, folks.
Yeah. Vernon County Vacation. Or no, let's do Lonesome Fiddle first. Let's do Lonesome Fiddle first.
We're going to feature our fiddle player here, Mr. Mike Lindo from the Great White North. Yeah, a friend of John Hartford's song. It's all just one big song anyway, right? Shame we only got the one bottle of water for everybody on stage. I don't want it. Michael?
Thanks, folks. Sorry, Pat, we did it too quick.
You missed it, Pat.
Yeah, you missed it.
I guess that's why they call it the lonesome fiddle.
Yeah, at least got to be right here.
Everybody in this band plays everything, so we just trade it around. What's a drum? Well, what now? Never heard of the thing. No, but seriously, Mark, where are your drums? They're not on this stage right now. What's up with that? Yeah, I guess you didn't get the memo. The invite did not arrive in time.
Artist Brown, he lived on the outside of town. Artist Brown, he lived on the outside of town. His wife and 5 children, his cabin broken down. He looked for work and money, walked a ragged mile. He looked for work and money, and he walked a ragged mile. His children are so hungry, they forgot how to smile. Baby's eyes are crazy, tugging at your sleeve. Say the baby's eyes are crazy, they're tugging at your sleeve. And you walk the floor and wonder why you're every breath you breathe. Now the rats got to your flower, bad blood it got your mare. The rats got to your flower, bad blood got your man. Is there anyone that knows? Is there anyone that cares? In the wilderness, the cold coyote called. Stayed way out in the wilderness, the cold coyote calls. And your eyes fixed on the shotgun, it's hanging on the wall. Now your brain is bleeding, your leg can't seem to stand. Your brain is bleeding, your leg can't seem to stand. And your eyes fixed on the shotgun that you're holding in your hand. Nowadays, 7 breezes blowing all around your cabin door. There's 7 breezes blowing all around your cabin door. 7 shots rang out like the ocean pounded roar. Nowadays, 7 people dead on South Dakota farm. There's 7 people dead on South Dakota farm. Somewhere in the distance, 7 new people born. And somewhere in the distance, there's 7 new people born.
Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Does anyone in the audience have a capo? It's okay, Dan's gonna get one. You're just gonna have to wait. This next song is a local song about local things that happened locally. Too locally. Made by locals from locals.
And if you live here, you know the people involved. Vacation, leave here on probation. Old Top Court, the only game in town. You can't live here like Tom Sawyer. Bring your checkbook and your lawyer when you come to visit here in the hills of Brown. It all started last November. Can't forget, so I remember. I got caught trespassing while standing in my yard. Well, they pulled her pistol and sat me in a chair and hollered at me. One girlfriend stood there looking at me hard. Gold Brown gang on vacation, leave here on probation. Old Top Court's the only game in town. You can't live here like Tom Sawyer. Bring your checkbook and your lawyer when you come to visit here in the hills of Brown. Took me where they commenced to bug me. I'm a hardened criminal, you can see it in my eyes. Now I remember well when they took me to my cell. All my friends were there, imagine my surprise. Go to Frank County on vacation, leave it on probation. Old Top Court's the only game in town. You can't live here like Tom Sawyer. Bring your checkbook and your lawyer when you come to visit here in the hills of Brown. Court and they said, listen, this here trespass charge ain't sticking. Thought it would, but it probably never will. I said, I think it's only fitting that y'all charge me for littering. Supposed to left that piece of trash up on the hill. Go to Frank County on vacation, leave it on probation. Old Top Court's the only game in town. You can't live here like Tom Sawyer. Bring your checkbook and your lawyer when you come to visit here in the hills of brown. Now remember, if all else fails, they just build some bigger jails when you come to visit here in the hills of brown.
Thank you, folks.
Brown County on vacation. What are we playing?
We're hitting the auxiliary.
I'm hanging out uptown low in that low down rain, watching Good Time Charlie friends driving me insane. Up on shitty Charlotte Street, the green lights look red. Wish I was back home on the farm in my feather bed. Got myself a rocking chair to see if I could lose these 10-time hard time to hell on Church Street blues. Made myself a picker friend, registered a new. Folded up 821, stuck it in my shoe. Gave me a nickel to the pole, my good turn for the day. Folded up my old billfold, threw it far away. Got myself a rocking chair, see if I could lose these 10-time hard time, hell on Church Street blues. Wish I had set a string or black diamond brand, string up his old Martin box, go and join some band. Guess I'm gonna stay right here, begin to sing a while. Try to make me a little change, get them folks to smile. Got myself a rocking chair, see if I could lose these 10-time hard times, hell on Church Street blues. Since I got myself a rocking chair, see if I could lose these 10-time hard times, hell on Church Street.
Thank you.
She's a pretty bird. She wore a bow as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July. of men. Oh, cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July. On a mountain so high, so that I can see my true love as she passes by. Oh, cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July. Jack a diamond, I know you have rolled mine for a pocket of silver and of gold. Oh, cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July.
Thanks, folks.
What's that?
The cuckoo.
We were gonna do that one Omi Omo. We do it?
What, how much time we got?
Like 10 minutes. We'll do that in 2 more maybe. Let's do that one real quick. Yeah. Switch back and John Hardy intro. Give us a chance to drink this.
Man, it is hot.
Is it any cooler in the sun? Yeah? Is it any cooler with your clothes off, Pat? Yeah! 2 count. Got 2 count. Okay. Well, let's not do that one. Let's do Barefoot Nelly. Yeah, Barefoot Nelly. And oh, Tom.
Hey, hey.
Hey.
Just gonna pass the water jar around a little bit. It's okay. I'm thirsty. Do Tom Tom Blues.
All right, folks, we got time for 2 more.
Barry, that's not fast enough.
What else?
Go ahead and do that again.
What else?
1, 2, 3, 4. When you're lost in the rain in Juarez and it's Easter time too. When your gravity fails you, negativity will not get you through. Just don't put on any airs when you're down on Rue Morgue Avenue. You got some hungry women there, they'll really make a mess out of you. If you see Sweet Annie, please tell her thanks a lot. I cannot move my fingers, they're all in a knot. I ain't got the strength to get up and take another shot. And my best friend the doctor, he won't even tell me what it is that I've got. Oh, sweet Melinda, the peasants call her the goddess of gloom. She speaks good English, she invites you up into her room. But you're too kind, too careful not to go to her too soon. She steals your voice, leaves you howling at the moon. Now all the authorities, they just stand around and boast. They blackmail the sergeant at arms into leaving his post. Then picking up on Angel who just arrived in from the coast. Looking so fine at first, but leaving looking just like a ghost. I started out on Burgundy, but I soon had the heart of stone. I told everyone to stand behind me when the game got rough. But the joke was on me, there was no one even there to call my bluff. I'm going back to Bean Blossom, I do believe that I've had enough. So when you're lost in the rain in Juarez and it's Easter time too, when your gravity fails you, negativity, it won't get you through. No, it won't. Just don't put on any airs when you're down on Rue Morgue Avenue. They've got some hungry women there, they'll really make a mess out of you. They've got some hungry women there, they'll really make a mess out of you. They've got some hungry women there, they'll really make a mess out of you. Thanks, folks. We got one more for you. We're the White Lightning Boys. We've got some kinds of merchandise over here, stickers and T-shirts and discs you listen to.
And again, a big round of applause for CLH Sound. We got Kurt Hall and we got Dan Benton. These guys are doing an awesome job.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
your pretty babe rolling in your
Ah, party time with the White Lightning Boys.
Thanks, folks.
Give them a great big hand. Yes. Thank y'all. Thank you so much. Good entertainment. They've been working hard for you folks, I guarantee you that.